In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter I. The capital letter I is written as shown. And a small letter I is written like this. Let's see that one more time. The capital I and the small letter I. And now for the phonetic sound. I is a vowel in the English alphabets and it makes more than one sound. The short vowel sound and the long vowel sound. In this lesson, we will focus on the short vowel sound of I. I makes the sound I, as in India. I live in India. I, as in igloo. Igloos are built from snow blocks. And when you switch on the lights in an igloo house, it looks like this. I, as in ink pot. I have an ink pot on my table. I, as in insect. We hear the insects chirping in the night time. I, as in iguana. The iguana catches insects with its sticky tongue. Just like that. Let's just look at all the words one more time. I, India. I, igloo. I, ink pot. I, insect. I, iguana.